Arkansas is a state located in the southeastern region of the USA. With over 18 million acres of forested land, it's no surprise that Arkansas is filled with all sorts of wildlife. Today, I'll be diving into the 10 most dangerous animals living in the state. Number 10. Brown recluse spiders. The brown recluse spider is a species of venomous arachnid that is native to the USA. They can be found anywhere between Florida and Texas, also inhabiting areas north of Ohio. In Arkansas, brown recluse spiders are near their preferred habitat, which makes them pretty common all throughout the state. These spiders are often elusive, hiding in protected and moist areas such as wood chip piles and insulation in buildings. The brown recluse has venom that is primarily hemotoxic. This can cause reactions such as nausea, fever, swelling of the bite area, and a host of other undesirable symptoms. In extreme cases, a bite can cause seizures, organ failure, and even death. These extreme reactions often only occur when someone has an exposed immune system or the bite victim happens to be a young child or elderly person. Number 9. Black widow spiders. Black widows are a venomous spider species found in the southern and western regions of the United States. Within Arkansas, they live all throughout the state, but are most commonly encountered in wooded areas and undisturbed outdoor spaces with ample hiding spots such as piles of debris, rocks, and cluttered areas. These spiders prefer warm and dry environments and can often be found near human structures like sheds and garages. Black widows possess a potent venom that contains neurotoxins, with the primary active component being alactrotoxin. When a human is bitten by one of these spiders, the venom affects the nervous system, leading to symptoms such as severe pain at the bite site, muscle cramps, nausea, vomiting, sweating, difficulty breathing, and in extreme cases, potentially life-threatening reactions. The venom targets nerve cells, causing the release of neurotransmitters in an uncontrolled manner, resulting in excruciating pain and systematic effects. Statistics can vary from year to year, but it is estimated that several hundred bites occur in Arkansas annually. Real quick, if you want to support my channel, check out my online shop. I design and sell custom canvas prints and posters. You can choose from the listed designs or get a custom piece. The shop link will also be in the description of this video. Thank you for the support. Number 8. Pygmy rattlesnakes. Pygmy rattlesnakes are a group of small venomous snakes that can be found across a significant portion of the southeastern United States. In Arkansas, these creatures are distributed in the southern and western regions, primarily inhabiting woodlands, forests, swamps, and wetlands. Their venom contains a combination of hemotoxins, which can cause localized tissue damage, pain, and swelling around the bite site. While their venom is not as potent as some other venomous snakes, a bite from a pygmy rattlesnake can still cause significant injury in some cases. This subspecies also has smaller rattles compared to other types of rattlesnakes. As a result, it produces a sound that is quieter and less distinct. This relatively inconspicuous appearance and quiet rattling can make them more challenging to detect and avoid, increasing the potential risk of bites, especially in areas where they are commonly found. Number 7. Coral snakes. Coral snakes are venomous snakes known for their striking red, yellow, and black banding. They are primarily found in the southeastern United States, with most residing in Arkansas, Louisiana, and Texas. In Arkansas, coral snakes are relatively rare and are mainly confined to the southern and southwestern regions of the state. They prefer specific habitats such as sandy or loamy soils, pine forests, and hardwood forests. Their venom contains potent neurotoxins that affect the nervous system, potentially leading to paralysis and respiratory failure. Unlike pit vipers like rattlesnakes, coral snakes have small fangs and rely on chewing to deliver their venom, making their bites less painful but still very dangerous. Due to their reclusive nature and less frequent encounters with humans, bites are infrequent, but any bite from a coral snake requires immediate medical attention as antivenom is essential to counteract the neurotoxic effects. Number 6. Copperheads. Copperheads are venomous pit vipers found primarily in the eastern and central regions of the United States. In Arkansas, copperheads are relatively common and can be found throughout the state, including the Ozark and Ouachita Mountains, as well as the Delta region. They're highly adaptable and can thrive in various environments, including forests, woodlands, grasslands, and even suburban areas. In terms of overall danger, copperheads rank as one of the more hazardous snakes in Arkansas, which can cause tissue damage, pain, swelling, and bruising around the bite site. While copperhead bites are usually not fatal to healthy adults, they can still be quite painful and may result in significant complications, especially for vulnerable individuals such as children, the elderly, or those with pre-existing health conditions. Antivenom may be administered if the bite causes severe symptoms or systemic effects. Number 5. Cottonmouths. Cottonmouths are venomous pit vipers primarily found in the southeastern United States, including parts of Arkansas. In Arkansas, cottonmouths are commonly found in the southern and eastern regions of the state, particularly in wetland areas, swamps, marshes, and along water bodies such as rivers, lakes, and ponds. They are strong swimmers and are well adapted to aquatic habitats. Among other snakes in Arkansas, cottonmouths rank as one of the more dangerous species due to their aggressive nature and potent venom. Their venom contains a mix of hemotoxins and cytotoxins, which can cause severe tissue damage, pain, and swelling at the bite site. In some cases, cottonmouth bites can lead to systemic effects, including nausea, vomiting, and drop in blood pressure. While fatalities from cottonmouth bites are relatively rare, their bites can be extremely painful and may result in severe complications, especially if left untreated. When near bodies of water or in wetland areas, caution should be exercised to avoid any potential encounters with cottonmouths. Number 4. Timber rattlesnakes. Timber rattlesnakes are venomous pit vipers inhabiting the eastern United States, extending from the Midwest to the Atlantic coast. In the state of Arkansas, timber rattlesnakes are present in the western and northwestern regions, particularly in the Ozark Mountains. They favor deciduous forests, mixed woodlands, and rocky areas, often seeking shelter in crevices and under rocks. These creatures are considered one of the most dangerous snake species in Arkansas due to their potent venom and relatively frequent encounters with humans. Their venom is primarily hemotoxic and can cause localized tissue damage, swelling, pain, and bruising at the bite site. In some cases, systemic symptoms such as fever, weakness, and nausea may occur. Many cases don't lead to fatality due to advanced medical practices and access to antivenom. However, if you happen to get bitten by a timber rattlesnake and can't reach help, organ failure starts to set in within a couple days, ultimately leading to death. Number 3. Black bears. American black bears are medium-sized bears native to North America, inhabiting a wide range of habitats from forests and swamps to mountains and tundra. In Arkansas, black bears are present primarily in the northern and western regions, particularly in the Ozark and Ouachita Mountains. Despite their large size and potential danger, black bears in Arkansas generally rank lower in overall danger compared to some other wildlife. While they have the potential to be dangerous, these creatures are often less aggressive than grizzly bears and are more likely to flee human encounters. Their danger primarily stems from their size, as adult black bears can weigh up to 600 pounds or more, and their physical abilities, including sharp claws and strong jaws. Black bear attacks in the USA are relatively rare, with an average of 0 to 3 attacks reported annually, often resulting from human behavior that inadvertently threatens the bear or its cubs. Number 1. Alligators. Alligators are large reptiles native to the southeastern United States and China. In Arkansas, alligators can be found primarily in the southeastern part of the state, particularly in the lowland swamps, marshes, and wetlands of the Mississippi Delta region. They prefer freshwater habitats like swamps, ponds, lakes, and slow-moving rivers. Among other animals in Arkansas, alligators rank as potentially dangerous due to their size and physical capabilities. They can grow up to 10 to 15 feet in length and possess powerful jaws lined with sharp teeth. Alligator attacks on humans are relatively rare in the USA, with an average of about 1 to 2 attacks reported annually, often occurring when humans encroach on their territory or approach too closely. While alligator attacks are infrequent, it's important to exercise caution and maintain a safe distance when in areas where alligators are present, as their strength and quick movements can pose a risk to humans. Overall, Arkansas is home to various species that have the potential to cause harm. These creatures are very important to their environments, but it's good to stay educated on why they pose certain dangers. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe for more wildlife content, leave a like, and check out my online shop linked in the bio of this video. Have a great day.